What if I told you that literature isn't just about dusty old books or school assignments you had to survive? It's actually one of the most powerful tools humans have to explore emotion, express identity, and connect across time and space. Whether you're already a book lover or just dipping your toes into the world of letters, getting a grip on what literature really is can open up a whole new way of thinking and feeling. At its core, literature is any written work that goes beyond basic communication and enters the realm of art. It's writing that's crafted with creativity, structure, and intention, meant to engage readers on an emotional, intellectual, or aesthetic level. That includes novels, poems, plays, short stories, and even certain types of essays. But it's not always about format, it's about depth, style, and the power of language to stir something in us. Literature often reflects the human condition. It asks big questions. What does it mean to love? To lose? To fight for something? It holds a mirror to society and explores culture, politics, class, and race. Through literature, we step into the shoes of others and see the world through their eyes, even if they lived centuries ago or exist in an imagined universe. Now, when people talk about literary writing, they usually mean works that are layered and thought-provoking, pieces that use language with skill and artistry. But literature can be found in all kinds of genres, from science fiction to historical drama to experimental poetry. It's more about the intention behind the writing and the experience it creates for the reader. Let's break it down even more. Fictional literature like novels and short stories tells made-up tales, but the best ones feel real because they capture universal truths. Poetry, on the other hand, distills emotion into rhythm, metaphor, and compact lines that hit hard. Then there's drama, written to be performed, blending narrative with dialogue in ways that pull you right into the action. So how do you spot literature? Look for writing that makes you think twice, that sticks with you, that reveals something deeper than just the surface story. It's that line in a novel that gives you chills. That poem that perfectly describes something you couldn't put into words. That play that makes you question your worldview. Here's the best part. Literature doesn't have to be ancient or intimidating. It's alive, evolving, and waiting for you to dive in. Pick up something new. Revisit a classic. Or even try writing your own. Because once you start seeing the world through a literary lens, everything changes. What piece of literature has moved you the most, or helped you see things in a new light? Share your favorite works and reflections in the comments below.